Principal, Professor Dr. Manoj Kamath, Shri Sanjay Amonkar, Director General at GCCI, CA Rohan Bandare, Chairman of Taxation and Financial Services Committee, Mr. Dr. Pramod Sawant, Special Invitee, Shri Bipin Kumar Upadhyay, Shri Srinivas Tempo, President of the GCCI.
As the finance minister of the state, and who's done a great job in leading the state in very challenging times. I remember we had COVID, we had different kinds of challenges in the state, and yet Dr. Sawant, with his mature leadership, has led the state in this time. So, very warm welcome to you, sir. Sri Bipin Kumar Upadhyay, who is the Commissioner of GST, my colleagues in the Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Rohan Bandare, Mr. Vernekar, Sanjay, Principal Dr. Manoj Kamath, my colleagues sitting in the audience, the members of the esteemed members of the panel, which is going to be happening very soon on the implementation of GST, and my dear students. I have a dual responsibility, both as President of the Chamber and also as the Chairman of the Dempo Charities Trust, to welcome you on this unique occasion, as I said. And what makes it really unique is that we are celebrating this in a commerce educational institute. I think I must compliment the Chamber of Commerce and the SS Dempo College for taking this unique initiative, because this comes to the favorite topic of our Chief Minister, and that is skill building. You know, GST is such a promising area for the country in the future that we need students from the commerce faculty to understand GST in its right perspective. And you are going to be the future company secretaries, future cost accountants, future chartered accountants, future commerce professionals, who can then advise their managements, their clients, you know, as to how to implement GST effectively. It's been a real journey for the last 7 years. What is unique about GST is that every business chamber in the country supported GST. And I remember the then Honorable Finance Minister, who said, Mr. Jaitley, who said that this is the second freedom of India. And this was a freedom that, you know, the 1947 was the first freedom, and 7 years back was under the second freedom, where it gave us freedom from the complex web of taxes, you know, which all got subsumed into one nation, one tax theory. And I'm glad to see the kind of receipts that are happening. You know, I think India crossed 1,50,000 crores on an average. Goa does. I was talking to the Honorable Commissioner, and he said Goa crosses on an average 250 crores every month. So you see the kind of potential. And this, my friends, is the tip of the iceberg. what as business people we have to commit to the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Commissioner is that we are going to comply with GST in full spirit. You know, I was telling the Commissioner, I still get requests from some of my suppliers, not all, that please, we will give you a non-GST bill. I said that doesn't exist in my dictionary. I cannot allow my stakeholders in my company to avoid GST, because I think the government has done a phenomenal job in trying to get transparency, and all of us today should commit in front of the future citizens of the country that we are going to be honest, we are going to be transparent, and that's what the Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry stands for. Recently, I must thank the Honorable Chief Minister for giving an opportunity to the Goa Chamber of Commerce to put forth some of the challenges that the business people feel, particularly in the MSME sector. You know, whether it's filing of returns or some interest component that could be waived off, or, you know, reducing the number. Today we have 4 tax structures, whether we can reduce it to maybe 2 or 3 tax structures. All this is done with the intention of helping our fellow members. And I'm sure, you know, the Honorable Chief Minister gave us a very patient hearing, and I believe some of the issues even got addressed in the last GST meeting that was held in Delhi about a week or 10 days back. I would not take much of your time. I would again like to welcome all of you to this celebration of the 7th year of GST evolution, and I'm sure the panel members are going to discuss how we could make this more effective and what is the way forward for effective GST implementation. A very warm welcome once again to our Honorable Chief Minister, to the Honorable Commissioner, who were kind enough to give their valuable time, that too on a Monday morning, and wish the conference all success. Thank you.
GSTच्या 7व्या वाढदिवसाक आमी सगळे जाण हांगासर हजर आसात. म्हाका दिसता गोवा चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स in association with the Department of the Economics, VCT Srinivas Sinai Dempo College of Commerce and Economics हांच्यानी हो प्रोग्राम हांगासर ऑर्गनायज केला. ह्या कार्यक्रमाक खास करून आमच्या मदीं आसात बाब बिपिन कुमार उपाध्याय, कमिशनर ऑफ द CGST, श्री श्रीनिवास डेम्पो, चेंबर ऑफ द GCCI. त्याच बरोबर आमच्या मदीं आसात CA बाब रोहन भंडारी, संजय आमोणकर आणि यतीश पै वेर्णेकर. इंडस्ट्रीतले तुमचो प्रिंसिपल बाब मनोज कामत. इंडस्ट्रीतले चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्सचे वेगवेगळे डिग्निटरीज हजर आसात. बाकीचे इंडस्ट्रीतले सगळे माझे फ्रेंड्स आसात आणि माय यंग फ्रेंड्स. खूब खोस भोगता, कारण GSTचो जसं आमी म्हणटा की 7 वर्सां सेलिब्रेशन्स, आणि तेय बी यंग, टॅलंटेड अँड दोज हू वॉन्ट्स टू इम्प्लिमेंट दीस GST इन फ्युचर फॉर द कंट्री, फॉर द स्टेट्स, तांच्या मदीं आमी आयज आसा. त्या म्हाका खूब चड खोस भोगता. एक्चुअल जे इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचें आसा तांच्या मदीं वचून उलोवपा खातीर खूब बरें दिसता. चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स ते इम्प्लिमेंट करतात, तांकां खबर आसाच डिफिकल्टीज कितें येता, कशा पद्दतीन रिजॉल्व करप, आनी ते सातत्यान गव्हर्मेंट, सेंट्रल GST, स्टेट GSTs हांच्या बरोबर कंटिन्युअसली ते वेगवेगळे कम्युनिटी, म्हणजे आतां उलयता आसतना बाब श्रीनिवास बाबा आनी तसोच आमचो रोहन हांणी वेगवेगळे विशय जे म्हाजे कडेन मांडले, हांवें सेंट्रल GST मिटिंगेंतल्यान मांडले आनी जे रिजॉल्व जाले तेय तुमच्या मदीं मांडले. पूण हांवें त्या खातीरच पयलीं म्हटलें की म्हाज्या समोर बशिल्ले सगळे स्टुडंट्स हे दे आर डुईंग द 5 years वीच कोर्स, इंटिग्रेटेड MCOM. दे आर द फ्युचर CA, फ्युचर टॅक्स कन्सल्टंट्स किंवा फ्युचर द फायनान्शियल एडवायझर्स फॉर ऑल द कंपनीज. हय काय ना? हय काय ना? हय. म्हणून तर हांवें कित्याक म्हटलां, आमकां हांव बाब मनोज कामत, बाब तुमचो प्रिंसिपल्स, हाजे कडेन उलयताना आतां उलयतालो जस्ट भितर येवच्या पयलीं, आमचो ईच एंड एवरी स्टुडंट्स फायनल एग्जाम पास जाता आसतना जस्ट ताजो कॅम्पस इंटरव्यू जावचो किंवा फायनल पास आउट जाता आसतना ताजी पॅकेज ठरची. एट वॉट पॅकेज इज गोईंग इन डिफरंट कंपनी, किंवा वॉट इज डुईंग इन फ्युचर, म्हणजे इज इट इज स्टार्टींग इज ओन बिझनस, काय तो आपलो फ्युचर खंयच्या तरी फायनान्शियल एडवायझर म्हणून जॉईन जाता, CA म्हणून जॉईन जाता, काय कितें हें डिसायड जावचें आनी तातूंतल्यानूच तो भायर वचो. अदरवायज जायत्यो कॉमर्स कॉलेजीस, जायत्यो इकॉनॉमिक्स कॉलेजीस गोंयांत आसा. पण आय एम एप्रिशिएटींग and congratulating for this Dempo College for taking this workshop and for taking this specially this course. So once again, congratulations for the management and for the principal also, especially for this course. आम पळयता की GST म्हटल्या उपरांत आमी जाका म्हणटा की गुड्स एंड सर्वीस टॅक्स जेन्ना लागलो बरेचशे कन्फ्युजन बऱ्याचशा जाणांच्या तकलेंत आशिल्लें कितें जातलें आनी कितें ना. हातूर खूब जाणांनी बऱ्याचशा स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटांनी विरोध करपाक सुरवात केलो. लोकांनी तर सोडून दी, द गव्हर्मेंट इटसेल्फ अपोजिंग ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीजीज विजन. इट इज अ वन नेशन वन टॅक्स. हें जावप गरजेचें आशिल्लें आनी तें आमी इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक शकले. विच इज ऑफकोर्स म्हणजे द प्रेझेंट फायनान्स मिनिस्टर इज अ निर्मला सीतारामन. स्पेशली म्हाज्या समोर बसलेल्या पैकी लेडीज चड आसा. So one lady, one who is leading from the front, that is an actually congratulations for her. जरी आम्ही म्हटलें की खंयसरूच मात न डगमगता की ज्या पद्दतीन GST इम्प्लिमेंट केलें आनी फुडें व्हरपाचो प्रयत्न केलो त्या बद्दल हांव तिकाय कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता. पळयता की वेरियस आय एम नॉट गोईंग इन डिटेल्स म्हणजे एमनेस्टी इनपूट स्किम्स हे सगळें, पण म्हाका एक बरें दिसलें की तुमचे एसे कॉम्पिटिशन जालें सो दॅट यू हॅव स्टार्टेड रिडींग वॉट एक्झॅक्टली द GST. तुमचे इलोक्युशन कॉम्पिटिशन्स जातले किंवा तुमचे आत्तां हाज्या फुडें पॅनल डिस्कशन क्वीज कॉम्पिटिशन्स जातले. एटलिस्ट GST हो टॉपीक तुमी सगळ्यांनी ताच्या खातीर स्टडी केलो. एक्झॅक्टली आमकां एसेत बरोवपाक जाय, क्विजांत आन्सर करपाक जाय आनी द पॅनल डिस्कशन देश आसा, ब्रँकली आसा, राल्फ आसा, दे आर टेकिंग पार्ट इन द पॅनल डिस्कशन. So you are also getting the opportunity to ask the different questions about the GST, what exactly and how we implement. म्हणजे तुमकांय हातूंतल्यान ह्या पॅनल डिस्कशनांतल्यान बऱ्योचश्यो गजाली ह्या GSTच्या निमित्तांत शिकपाकूय मेळटल्यो. ताका लागूनच म्हणजे हांव चड न फोकस करता. Over the past 7 years, we have witnessed the significant strides in creating the more streamlined, contributing to the ease of doing a business in India. GST has been very successful in achieving its primary objectives of simplifying India's indirect tax regime, eliminating tax cascading and curbing tax evasion. GST has decreased the number of taxes, compliances burden and overall tax burden on the common man while significantly increasing the transparency, compliances and overall collection. Despite the magnitude of the pandemic, the government as well as the industry have been agile enough to quickly adapt and receive the economic activity. In fact, the quick economic recovery has led to an all-time high GST collection for Goa in the past few months. When the GST was introduced in the 1st July 2017, it has marked significant shift from the complex and fragmented tax system that existed before. The previous system with the multiple taxes, cesses created inefficient and impediment to the business operations and economic growth. GST has harmonized the tax structures and making it simpler and more efficient. Over the past 7 years, GST has profound the positive impact on economy. तुम्ही जर म्हणटाले जर GSTंतल्यान टेक अवे कितें म्हणजे आयच्या सेमिनारांतल्यान आमी म्हणटाले की गोंयाक कितें मेळ्ळें हें जर इजी शब्दांनी जर सांगपाचें जर जालें जाल्यार इट इज एन स्ट्रीमलायन टॅक्स स्ट्रक्चर्स. आमी एकदम सिंपल म्हणजे वेगवेगळे टॅक्सीस आसले तितून आमी स्ट्रीमलायन करपाक शकले. वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीचे टॅक्स बर्डन बिजनेसीस कन्झ्युमर्स हांचेर पडटाले ते आमी करपाक शकले. द सेकंड इज एनहेन्स द इज ऑफ डुईंग अ बिजनेस. बरेचशे फावटी बरेचशे बर्डन्स जे आमचे कडेन प्रत्येक फावटी आमी वेगळ्या स्टेटींतल्यान हांगा कितें तरी हाडले ताजेर वेगळो टॅक्स पे केलो, हांगा टॅक्स पे केलो, परत तेजेर रिपीट मागले, परत रिवर्ट करपाक. दॅट इज एन इज ऑफ डुईंग द बिजनेस जेणे करून मॅक्झिमम बिजनेसीस ग्रो जावपा खातीर आमकां फायदो जालो. इन्क्रीज द रिव्हेन्यू फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट. आमी जर पळयता आसत म्हणजे आमी जेन्ना फायनान्स मिनिस्टर म्हणून पळयता आसत जाल्यार तुमी पळयलां आसतलें की फाटल्या म्हज्या बजेटांत स्टेटीचो खंयचोच टॅक्स हांवें वाडोवंक ना, एक सुद्दां टॅक्स वाडोवंक ना. Without increasing the tax, असा त्या पद्धतीत it is why it is only and only because of the GST possible for me for the revenue collection. GSTंतल्यान जालो with got the state and central share. Increase revenue for the state government. It is a boost to exports. Various things जे आमी exports करपाक शकले. Because of this only it is possible. It is a reduction in logistic cost. प्रत्येक फावटी आमी ज्यो लॉजिस्टीक वेगवेगळ्यो करताल्यो आनी ताका लागून एप्रॉक्सिमेटली म्हणजे आमी म्हणटा की 10 to 15% ऑफ द पोस्ट इम्प्लिमेंटेशन आमकां लॉजिस्टीक कॉस्ट ऑफ इन्क्रीज करचो पडटलें. गोवा स्टेट असल्या कारणान इट इज अ बूस्ट टू टुरिजम. आमी बरेचशे फावटी सर्वीस इंडस्ट्री कडेन पळयता आसतना सगळे जाण हाजे कडेन लक्ष दिवन आशिल्ले, वीच क्रिएट्स एप्रॉक्सिमेटली इट इज एन अराउंड 8.5% ऑफ द डॉमेस्टीक टुरिस्ट अँड 6.1% फॉरेन टुरिस्ट हातून आमी बूस्ट करपाक शकले. इट इज अ कंज्युमर बेनिफिट्स. प्रत्येकाक जो कंज्युमर आशिल्लो ताका बेनिफिट्स पडले. वेगवेगळे टॅक्सीस परत ताका पळोवपाची गरज लागूंक ना. सेकंड इज एन फॉर्मलायझेशन ऑफ द इकॉनॉमी. GST खातीर हें आमकां पॉसिबल जालें. एनहेन्स द कॉम्प्लायन्सीस अँड ट्रान्सपरन्सी आनी ताकाच लागून अवर स्टेट इकॉनॉमी driven by the tourism, trade and small scale industries has benefited immensely for the streamlined tax regime. The GST destination based tax and Goa being the consumer state has been major benefited by the GST regime. The GST compensation received by the Goa over the years has been helped the state finance to meet all the revenue expenditure and commitments. उदर जशें म्हटलां तुमकां हांवें म्हाका खंयचोच टॅक्स वाडूंक शकूंक ना, बट तुमी जर पळयशात फाटल्या 5 वर्सांच्या कार्यकाळांत आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेव्हेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. रुटीन एक्सपेंडिचर आसतात विच इज द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएटेड इन द स्टेट, खंयसरूच कमी उरूंक ना. आनी वयल्यान बीइंग अ फायनान्स मिनिस्टर म्हणून सांगता वी हॅव रिड्युसीस द लोन इनटेक्स. वेगवेगळे रुटीन लोन जे आमकां म्हणजे विदीन द FRBM लिमिट्स आमकां 3,500 कोटी जर लोन घेवपाक लिमीट आसत जाल्यार फॉर द लास्ट इयर आय हॅव टेकन ओनली द लोन ऑफ 1,800 crores. इतकेच लोन घेतला. जाय जाल्यार हांव 3,000 कोटी घेवपाक शकतालो. बट हे सगळे म्हणजे ड्यू टू द फायनान्शियल मॅनेजमेंट अँड ड्यू टू द गेटिंग द गूड रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल GST अँड द स्टेट GST इट इज पॉसिबल जालें. म्हणून तर म्हणजे आयच्या ह्या GSTच्या मिटिंगेत सांगता आसतना म्हाका तें खूब खोस भोगता. And I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the GCCI for their proactive approach in submitting the comprehensive proposal aimed at refining and improving in the GST framework. The proposal which I have recently received is the result of the meticulous efforts of the GCCI team, and your dedications and addressing the challenges faced by our business community is commendable. The GST Council has already taken note of the recommendation which is extended the time limit of the availing input tax credit for the past financial years, providing the much needed relief to the taxpayers. The waiving of the interest and penalties on the demand notice from the previous year showcase the government commitment to the reducing the litigations and easing the compliances burden on the industry. I also want to highlight the GCI initiatives to the launch of the 4-day GST course in the February this year for the industry professionals, which is received an overwhelming response. खरोखरच कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता की ज्या पद्दतीन भायले सगळे येवन तुमच्यान हांगासर एड्रेस केलो. इट इज एन क्रेडीट गोज टू ऑल द चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्सचे सगळे जे ऑफिस बॅरर्स आसा तांच्या खातीर वता. म्हाका दिसता इट इज वन ऑफ द चेंबर ऑफ द कॉमर्स वी हॅव टेकन इन होल म्हणजे सराउंडींग चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्सच्या पेक्षा आमच्या चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्सान डीड व्हेरी गुड वर्क. एज अ गोवा रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह ऑन द GST Council, I assure you that the concern and suggestions of our business community will be presented and advocated for the upcoming meetings. Our goal is to create the more efficient and business-friendly tax environment that benefits in all sectors in Goa. I once again thank all the people of Goa for making the GST law success. I have been constant efforts that the GCCI has taken a work together with the government. I also privileged to lead the group of ministers for simplifying the GST for real estate sector. The GCCI team has already been given me the detailed report of the many inputs as and how to remove the cascading effects of the taxes and for allowing the seamless flow of the GST credit. With the real estate as an integral part of the Goan economy, our GOM will do our best for the ease of doing the business for the real estate industry. We must address the challenges that remain, such as ensuring the timely refund, simplifying the compliances process further, and enhancing the digital infrastructure to support the GST framework. In conclusion, GST has been the game changer for the India's economy. It has brought about the greater transparency, increased efficiency, and has created the more business-friendly environment. As we celebrate the 7th year of GST, let us reaffirm our commitment to work together, government, business, and citizen, to ensure to continue success and evolution of these revolutionary tax systems. आज परत एकदा हांव GCCIचे खूप खूप कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता आणि तुमचे सगळ्यांचे यंग टॅलंट माइंड जे हांगासर बशिल्ले आसात. म्हाका खबर आसा देशाचे भवितव्य ज्या पद्दतीन हॉनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर विकसित भारत 2047 25 वर्सां हो भारत देश कसो आसचो ऑन द सेम लायन विकसित भारत विकसित गोवा हे स्वप्न आमी हांगा दवरता आसतना वी आर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करतात पण आमी ह्युमन रिसोर्स जो क्रिएट करपाक जाय तो ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेम्पो सारकेल्या कॉलेजीत क्रिएट करता. पूण हांव डेम्पो चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्ट एंड प्रिंसिपल एंड होल टीम हांकां कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता. इट इज एन रियली जे 7 वर्सां GST सेलिब्रेशनचो प्रोग्राम्स तुम्ही हांगासर घेवन युअर फोकस अबाउट इज व्हेरी मच क्लियर फॉर द विकसित भारत 2047, विकसित गोवा 2047. थँक यू वन एंड ऑल.